Hello students, in today's video we will see how to draw involute of a triangle. Then I will tell you what is involute. So let us take one example. Draw the involute of a triangle of 30 mm side. So first of all, draw a triangle of 30 mm side. Then give name to this point as point A and this point as point C. Then take a distance of 30 mm in rounder and draw a arc which is the third point. Then join this point to point C and point A. And give name to this point as point B. So this is the triangle ABC. Now we have to draw the involute. So first imagine that a piece of thread which is already wound on the triangle is being unwound, and the end point of the wound thread is initially located at point C. So the curve will start from point C. Then extend the lines AB, BC and AC. So produce this AB line into this side. Then produce BC line into this side and produce AC line into this right side. Then take a distance AC in rounder and A as center point. So AC distance and A as center point. And mark a arc A as center point. So mark a arc on this AB line and give name to this point as point P1. Then take a distance BP1 in rounder and B as center point. So BP1 is nothing but addition of two sides, that is AC plus AB. So take BP1 distance and B as center point, draw a arc. I will extend this line and give name to this point as point P2. Then take distance CP2 in rounder and center point as point C. Now CP2 is the addition of three sides of a triangle, that is AC plus AB plus BC. So take CP2 distance and mark a arc on this side and give name to this point as point P3. Next, join these points P1, P2 and P3 with the help of a French curve. So join CP1, then join point P1, P2, then join up to P2. Next, join P2 to point P3. I will rub this extra line, and in this way we have joined point C, P1, P2 and P3. Now give this radius, give this distance as radius AC. So R is equals to AC. Then give this distance, that is from point B to this arc, as radius BP1, and from point C give distance up to the arc as radius CP2. And give name to this curve as involute. And in this way we have completed involute of a triangle. Now we will see what is involute. So involute is a curve traced out by end of a piece of thread unwound or wound on a circle or a polygon, and keeping the thread always tight. Or we can define involute as it is a curve traced out by a point on the straight line which rolls without slipping around a circle or around a polygon. And while drawing the involute, imagine that a piece of thread which is already wound on the triangle is being unwound, and the end point of the wound thread is initially located at point C. So the curve starts from point C like this.